Welcome to Sports Center, Week 15. Tonight, Panthers vs. Viking. Hey there, sports fans. It's your favorite sports guru, Angela Stone, coming at you live from ESPN Sports Center. I hope you've got your game faces on because we've got some serious gridiron action to break down for you today. In this week's showdown, we witnessed the New Orleans Saints take on the Carolina Panthers in a clash that had fans on the edge of their seats. The Panthers came out swinging, putting up a whopping 35 points on the board, while the Saints fought hard but could only muster up 14 points in response. Final score: Saints 14, Panthers 35. Let's talk highlights, shall we? Quarterback G. Holly led the charge for the Saints, throwing for 202 yards and 2 touchdowns, but alas, also giving up 1 interception. Running back B. Corum couldn't quite find his footing, only rushing for 11 yards with no touchdowns to show for it. Wide receiver C. Olave shone bright, hauling in 5 catches for 83 yards and a touchdown. But let's give credit where credit is due, the Panthers came to play. Quarterback M. Penix Jr. was on fire, throwing for an impressive 299 yards and 3 touchdowns with no interceptions. Running back T. Conway bulldozed his way to a touchdown, rushing for 35 yards. And wide receiver X. Leggett put on a show, racking up 130 yards and a touchdown of his own. Defensively, the Panthers' Jay Horn made a game-changing play with an interception returned for a touchdown, while the Saints couldn't quite find that spark on defense. So, there you have it, folks. Another thrilling matchup in the books. Watch these highlights from the game and stay tuned for more action-packed sports coverage right here on ESPN Sports Center. I'm Angela Stone, signing off.